What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Cass, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So on today's video, y'all gonna be spending the day with me. I don't really got that much to do, but I gotta go get a tripod, and we got a meeting with the club, and then we got a car meet to go to. So I'm finna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to Walmart. Okay, so now we at Walmart looking for a tripod. I don't really know which one to get, but I need one for today, so I gotta get one of them. These the only ones that they got. I think I'm gonna get this one because I need one that I can stand up outside when I'm recording. So yeah, we're gonna grab this one. Okay, so I just left Walmart for getting the tripod. Now I'm at the gas station, as you can see, finna get some gas, and then I want to wash my car before the meet, so I think that's the next thing that I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm back with an update. I was trying to go wash my car before the little meet. Well, at least spray it off because I ain't really got time to wash it. Because it's 5:55. The meet start at 6. Well, the meeting start at 6. The meet start at 7. And I went to go spray off my car. I had my dollars, and the coin machine didn't work. So I just said bump it. So now we currently on the way to the meeting, and I'll talk to y'all once I get there.
Back here with who?
Cass.
Man, you don't speak up.
Cass.
Cass.
Yeah, your video, you gotta get a mic.
What up, folks?
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it.
We got.
I'm like, what did she say?
Say hey to the.
Turn it up to the
Say hey to
microphone.
you too. Tell you too, hey. I'm gonna take over her shit, y'all. We're gonna get. I'm gonna. That's the middle. There you go.
Okay, so I made it to the club meeting. We ain't started yet. We still waiting on everybody to arrive. I'm sitting in the car because it's cold. I just finished putting together my tripod so I can get some content when the car meet start. So yeah. I'm currently at the meet. It's a good bit of people here. I'm gonna go around and show y'all everybody's cars, show y'all what we looking like.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. Can't mess with rappers, they be over. Brother, get the pack and get it over. Big dribble, stand up in the ocean. Everybody turn to we get over.
Y'all better not play with them. They got the Hellcats, them, but on the minivan. Don't play.
How you Crossing numbers and acres for everyone. Take the roof on the car, let up for the sun. I'm about to see it look like my cousin. She sucking and swallowing. He been living in a good. Nigga don't run for my problem. We stacking up wallow and color. Try get it mega book. See them drip with the nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTM, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got hoes in my right of left. And you got the client, don't be in there. Look, so they clock and get out of there. I'm find the weather well. Treat it like a tire, I keep stuck. I'm just stuck because I'm warring. Shit the truck, I'm kind of moving. Got stolen, smoothie, and a present. Time to keep you flying, but you can't. But they got me to this now. Because I'm spinning, play with two of them. But I'm telling you, spinning, make my life move.